If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Shingo Mupfawa. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. We want to create a community here. Hey there, future productivity pros. Struggling to stay organized or keep up with your studies? Well, today I've got 5 amazing apps that will completely change how you approach studying and productivity in 2025. Whether you're juggling high school, university, or your personal life, these tools will help you work smarter, not harder. Let's dive in. I'm Dr. Mupfawa, and as a student myself, I know how difficult it can be to stay on top of everything. So I've tested some of the best apps that help me manage my time, tasks, and studies efficiently. These are the apps I swear by. App number 1, the Ultimate Organization Tool. If you haven't heard of it, where have you been? Notion is an all-in-one workspace for note-taking, project management, and even personal life organization. It is awesome because you can create your own templates for your notes, to-do lists, and even project timelines. It's like having a personal assistant that organizes your brain. I used to struggle with scattered notes everywhere on paper, in notebooks, and on my phone. But with Notion, I can keep everything in one place, and it has helped me to stay so much more organized. Let me know in the comment sections if you already use Notion or if you're excited to try it after watching this. Tip number 2, Forest. It helps you to stay focused and avoid distractions. This one is a game changer if you have trouble staying focused during study sessions. It is awesome because Forest helps you to stay off your phone and focus on your work by growing a tree while you study. If you check your phone, the tree dies. Simple but effective. I've personally used Forest during study session and it's made a huge difference. It's super motivating to watch my tree grow as I work. If you are like me and can get distracted by social media, you need this app. Share in the comments how you stay focused while you're studying. App number 3, Google Keep, for quick notes and reminders. It's a perfect app for those moments when you get an idea or a reminder and you need to write it down fast. It is awesome because of its speed and simplicity. You can create quick notes, voice memos, checklists, and reminders in a snap. Plus, it syncs across all devices, so you will never forget anything important. I use Google Keep for everything. Quick reminders about deadlines, ideas for videos, and even grocery lists. Do you struggle with remembering important things? Let me know in the comments if you are going to start using Google Keep. App number 4, Trello. You use it for organizing your tasks and projects. If you are working on a big project or have a lot of assignments, Trello is a must-have. It's a visual tool that lets you organize your tasks with boards, lists, and cards. It is awesome because of its task management ability. You can break down large projects into smaller ones, and you can manage and track your progress using it. It's like having a visual planner, but more fun. Whenever I'm working on a new video project, Trello helps me organize everything from research to deadlines to final edits. Have you ever used Trello in your projects? Share your experiences in the comment section below. App number 5, Grammarly. Improve your writing instantly. Finally, we can't forget about Grammarly. Whether you're writing essays, emails, or even your social media posts, Grammarly is your personal writing assistant. It is awesome for its grammar and style. Grammarly checks your writing for grammar errors, spelling mistakes, and even gives you suggestions to improve clarity and style. I've used Grammarly for years, and it saved me from embarrassing mistakes in my academic writing. If you have ever made a grammar mistake in an essay or a report, hit the like button. And if you are going to try Grammarly, let me know in the comment section. There you have it, 5 apps that I use daily to stay productive as a student. If you try any of this, let me know in the comment section and how they help you out. And don't forget to like, comment, share, hit the notification button and subscribe. See you all in the next video. Bye.